Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Richelle and I share tips and information on how to be a virtual assistant, and I also share information about online jobs here in our channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. You can also check the previous videos I shared about working from home and about home-based job opportunities. But for today's video guys, I'm going to give a follow-up video or an update about the job that I shared with you 2 months ago, and this is for the company named Online Helpers. Just to have a recap, this company is offering a home based job for people who are interested in working from home, and you don't have to have any work experience or any home based experience to apply for this company. So a lot of people are actually sending messages saying that they did not receive any update or any reply from this company. It was because, guys, this company has been receiving a lot of application for the past few months, so they cannot reply to everyone immediately, but they do reply. Okay, they reply to applicants or to your application. So we just have to wait for the update. If you are really interested in working for them, we just have to wait for their reply. Again, to have a recap, this company is offering a starting rate of $3 per hour. You can work from home, and this is a non-voice job. Okay, this is a non-voice job opportunity. So you don't have to worry about your speaking skills like that, as long as you are good at grammar and you know also the correct punctuation marks and the correct spelling of words, then you can try to apply. So the benefits for this job, these are the benefits. Again, the starting rate is $3 per hour, and of course, you can work from home, and this can also be a long term career. Now, these are the qualifications, okay, just to review. So, English proficient, okay, as long as you know, again, the correct grammar, correct spelling of the words, and the correct punctuation marks that you can use when you're writing, then you can apply. You don't have to be fluent in speaking in English. And then available to work US hours. So this is a graveyard shift, and you can commit to work full time, minimum of 6 hours per day, 5 times or 5 days a week, and then including 1 day on the weekend. So if you're interested, you can click apply. Okay, so again, I'm going to share the link of the first video in the description box, so you can also check the video that I shared with you 2 months ago. Anyway, guys, after 2 months of submitting my application to this company, I received a reply. So that means that it takes a while, or it takes a long time for them to reply because of the number of applications that they received. So they received a lot. Actually, when I submitted my application here, they already gave like a warning or a heads up saying that it may take a while for them to reply, but they did reply. So I received the reply after 2 months. So I'm going to share it with you guys. So this is the reply I received from the company, and this is now for an online assessment. And there is actually a warning here, or let's say a reminder, that we have to read and follow the instructions carefully, because only applicants who have read and followed the instructions will be contacted. So, guys, if you've received a reply from them, please be careful, be very careful. Let's follow the instructions properly. So this is now the assessment instructions. I'm not sure if I can share, but yeah, I'll just share it with you guys here. You have to make sure that you follow all of the instructions that they have provided. Actually, they gave detailed information about the instructions, so I don't see any problems in following the instructions, because they have already provided the clear and step-by-step instructions. So we just have to follow. So that's it, guys. This is the short video that I wanted to share with you, just to show that the company is really replying. They are really responding to applicants. So, yes, it took a while, and many people might have already submitted applications to other companies as well. But in case that you have received a reply and you're really interested to continue working for them, please follow the instructions carefully. And then this can also be another source of income, especially that this is for a graveyard shift. So if you have a full-time job or another job, then you can do this as one of the sources of your income. So just for an extra income. So you can try. And then if you've already applied or if you're already working for this company, please share also your experiences. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope this video helps. Have a nice day.